iFlytek. No, iFlytek. This is the AINOTE Deuce. This is the second one. We have a pen here. We have some drawings on there. What are we going to get into when it comes to the pen? We have no idea. iFlytek has been one of those companies that continuously uses Wacom or EMR protocols, in which case you can use any pen on the market. This is the AINOTE 2. You'll see the serial number down below. There's not much else to it. We got to crack it open. You know, we do get a lot of people that ask why we look at the boxes, and that's because you need to know how you're getting your products. And we said this in one of our previous unboxings. Actually, I'll just reach off camera. This is how Amazon packages their units. They literally take, sorry, bigme, the e-reader, and that's it. They then put another piece of construction paper on top. This is the only thing protecting your e-reader from the outside world. And this, I will tell you, is not very thick, strong, or rigid. It's just a piece of recycled paper. That's it. So you do need to know what kind of box you're getting. And also for historical purposes, when we reference things, what comes in the box. And that's very important. What kind of pen, what kind of USB cable. It's all very important. Now you have a very thick kind of plush piece of cardboard. It's got some pile on it. I wonder if there's foam underneath that. So it's a really strong cardstock. That's really nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, we have a bump. Why do we have a bump? Is this whole thing bumped? Oh, wow. Everything's falling out. Whoa, this is light. Oh my God. That's probably lighter than the A5 quaderno, the 10.3. This thing is so light. It's not flexible. It's not plastic like the quaderno. The quaderno, you can actually tilt this back and bend it. This one is not. Don't do it. And we're not doing the jerry-rig thing where we destroy a unit, which we would love if we had the disposable income to do that. But, you know, we don't. So we're just going to crack this open. Yes, they are using plastic, but, you know, no, not judging or anything. I mean, that's most of the e-reader world. They're going this way. So let's see what we have here. Look at this. You know what? This is so exciting. I kind of want to show this first, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put it right off here because I want to see what the pen situation is. We've been around pens for so long. Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold your horses. I'm gonna reach off camera here again and grab a V-Woods pen. Just a sec. There's a little bit of suspicion here. No, I was wrong. That is not a V-Woods body. Okay, V-Woods makes some really good stuff, but they're not using that. And they're not using the traditional iReader, iFlytek pen like the previous model, like this one. So, yeah, okay, this is a new pen. I've never seen this body before. And they have a piano black finish backing with a kind of rubber truck bed liner coating with an iFlytek logo and a traditional, that's a conical tip, but let's see the diameter here. You can probably tell. Oh, that's proprietary. It's double sheathed. Here, let's get something here so we can see it. It's a double sheathed, it's kind of a gradual standard tip diameter, and then it goes into a thicker sheath, and then it goes into a conical tip. That is different. This is different. I'm not sure I like that very much, because what that means is you can't buy dime a dozen tips anymore. You're going to have to buy specialty tips. They have a USB-C right there, and some documentation with no documentation in it. There's actually no documentation in there, and this was factory sealed. Wait, did it fall out? There's no documentation in here. Okay, well, that's that. Bye, guys. No, I'm kidding. All right, here it is. This is razor. Whoa, look at that. I didn't even see that. We have a mirror finish side wrapping around on the body. This is great. We have a nice, oh my gosh, there's two buttons here. Oh, there's no documentation, so I don't know what the buttons do. We'll have to look when we get into the full review because we do have some microphones on there. I understand that. However, we have this kind of interesting button here, and I don't know what it does because that's got to be the power button right there. And then on the side, we have nothing. And then on the bottom, we have a status indicator light and USB-C. We also have nothing on the other side. Now I really want to know what that button does. Okay, what we're going to do is do a first time boot up. Oh, we got to snap the pen. Nice. And it does seem... Oh, wait, do we have to charge the pen? I don't think so. Okay, I hope not, because that would be awful. But let's do a first time boot up and see what we got going with here. Whoa, this thing is clean, guys. Man, the backing is great. You get this obviously copied from Remarkable rubber stoppers here. You get this nice off-white Arctic kind of back panel. You get 5 pogo pins. This thing is looking real nice. This is so thin. I'm thinking this might be one of the thinnest units. The Henvon N10 was pretty thin. So is the V-Woods. But my goodness, look at this. This is so beautiful. Let's make a new note, and that's all we're gonna do right now. We have to, oh, can I not make a note unless I log in? No, I'm certain I can. There we go. I should be able to make that. Now, this isn't a spec powerhouse, so don't be too disappointed if it's not super fast. Now, I think we can just start writing. I'm gonna use an Amazon pen first. Oh, uh-oh. Let me just learn later. Oh, it does work. Thank goodness. Okay, so for example, this is not going to work with something like a Remarkable Paper Pro pen because it's proprietary. It's also not going to work with this bigme pen because it's proprietary, but it is going to work with Amazon. It's going to work with their own pen, of course. Oh, the strokes are different. Look at that. And we do have the ability to do tilt as well. That is so fast. Uh-oh. That's pretty quick, guys. Whoa, that's a clean erase. There's nothing left over. Okay, this is some exciting stuff. This is everything that comes in the box with the iFlytek AINOTE 2. We're not going to get into the full review right now. We have to save that for another video because we have to learn the device. We got to see what it's all about. We got to script the video itself and get back to you guys as soon as possible. See you on the next one.